You can also edit your photos like this exactly by using Google Gemini. First go to Google XYAA space EDITS. So it will go to my website and click on this first website, and after that you have to copy the prompt. Click on this first one, create a photo editing, and scroll down. You can see if you got any ad, just play it and see the ad for just 5 seconds, and you can click on this into scroll down and you can find this prompt here. Just copy this prompt like this and go down, and you can see this Gemini. Click on this Gemini and now paste the prompt here. Just paste the prompt here and add the portrait photo, and just add your portrait photo and run it. That's it, you will get the exact photo.